If I could go anywhere at all, I'd go someplace where there are lots of feathers and bright colors and pretty songs.
Sounds like a parade to me.
Can you feel the beat marching down the street? I can feel the beat going right down to my feet. Oh wow, I can't believe it. Right now, I think I see it. Oh boy, I've imagined it. Big Bird's Big Parade.
Just like a rainbow high, let your banners fly across the sky.
The brand new friends you'll meet, that feather flapping beat is sure to put a tickle in your feet. To end my